SEO Revolution. Video number 9. Effective Keyword Research Tips. If you are not doing keyword research, there's no use of any SEO strategy. And if you are, let's find out either you are keeping good track or doing it just okay. Number 1. Start with seed keywords. If you already have a product or business that you want to promote online, coming up with seed keywords is as easy as describing that product with your own words or brainstorming how other people might search for it. The challenge of picking a niche deserves a big and detailed guide of its own, but generally there are 2 ways to approach this. A. Monetization first approach. Start from exploring available monetization methods. Pick a product or an offer that you like, and then think of search queries that people might be using to find it in Google. B. Niche down approach. You can start with a super broad keyword and niche down until you see an interesting opportunity. Number 2. Generate keyword ideas. The next step is to generate a mammoth list of relevant keyword ideas, while also getting a good understanding of what people in your niche are searching for in Google. There are at least 4 good ways to do it. A. See what keywords you already rank for. If you own a website that's been around for a while, you should already be ranking in Google for a few hundred keywords. Knowing what they are is a perfect way to kickstart your keyword search. B. See what keywords your competitors are ranking for. The chances are your competitors have already performed all the tedious keyword research work for you, so you could research the keywords that they rank for and cherry-pick the best ones. C. Using keyword research tools. Use a decent keyword research tool. Luckily, there's no shortage of them on the market. Solvel.com, Ubersuggest.io, AnswerThePublic.com, and quite a few more. D. Study your niche well. Sometimes, just by studying your niche well and adding a pinch of common sense, you can discover some great keywords that no one in your niche is targeting yet. Number 3. Understanding keyword metrics. While executing the aforementioned strategies, you'll find yourself sifting through thousands of keyword ideas and trying to decide which of them deserves to be shortlisted. And to help you separate the wheat from the chaff, there's a bunch of cool keyword metrics to consider. A. Search volume. This metric shows you the overall search demand of a given keyword, i.e., how many times people around the world or a specific country put this keyword into Google. B. Clicks. The clicks metric is totally invaluable in weeding out the search queries with huge search demand, but miserable traffic. C. Traffic potential. Search volume and clicks are great metrics to understand the popularity and traffic of a single keyword. So it's time to stop evaluating keywords just by their search volume or clicks alone. You need to look at the top ranking results and see how much search traffic they get in total. D. Keyword difficulty. High competition is not always a reason to give up on a keyword. It all comes down to the balance between the business value of that keyword and its ranking difficulty. Some insanely competitive keywords can be the best thing that could happen to your business if you rank for them, so they're well worth the investment. E. Cost per click. One important thing to know about cost per click is that it's much more volatile than search volume. While search demand for a keyword fluctuates on a monthly basis, its CPC can change pretty much any time. Number 4. Group your list of keywords. So you've generated a ton of promising keyword ideas and use the aforementioned metrics to identify the very best ones. Now it's time to bring some structure to your list. A. Group by parent topic. You need to find which keywords are semantically and contextually related and group them under a parent topic to target with a single page. Side note, parent topic is the highest volume keyword that a page ranks for. B. Group by intent. Behind every search query that people put into Google, there's a certain and oftentimes very specific expectation. Your goal is to decipher that expectation up front so you can build a page that would perfectly match it. C. Group by business value. This group is actually closely related to grouping by intent. But this time, you need to figure out which intent drives the best ROI for your business. Number 5. Prioritize. You can go as far as adding dedicated columns in your keyword search spreadsheet to give scores to each keyword idea. Then based on those scores, it should be fairly easy to pick the low-hanging fruit with the best ROI. There's obviously more to keyword research than that. This is a simple process that could be universally applicable to any website or industry. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.